Smile ba? Smile na yan. What if I'm getting married?
Ikaw daw yung alak na yan. Saan ang pangalan yan? Masarap yan. Pero hindi mo namamalayan, tatamaan ka na dyan. Traitor yan eh. Sa'yo no comment? Aalis ka na naman!
Poncho, tama na, please.
Please, pangpo ka.
I never cheated on you.
Bullshit.
We were together for 4 years. Hinayaan ko baguhin niya ako. Yung buhay ko. Just too much. Ayoko na po ba?
Please.
Poncho!
Dito ako! Harapin natin to! Hanindigan naman natin to!
Later on, siguro gusto ko malaman kung ang reaction ng tao about the trailer. But today, ayan, this is the official worldwide release po ng trailer ng Grand Media. Again, thank you sa mga dito. We are joined by our friends from the media, bloggers, influencers, and online pages. Ayan, you may occupy this, the front chairs so you can have a better makapture nyo yung and now she's joining the movies. Please welcome Mean Espinosa. Thank you. Have a seat. Saan po ba? Ayan, dyan din. Thank you, Mean. Chika later. Cargo. Gusto mo pala cargo pants. Thank you, Direk. Chika later. Dami yung sasagutin, dami what ifs, di ba? Okay. The magic. We saw the full trailer. Together now, please welcome Joshua Garcia and Julia Barreto. May mga chemistry talaga pinatawag, ano? They're so perfect. Talaga din. Marami kang sasagutin, Julia, Joshua. Okay, napasit na? Okay, this time, I think we are ready to answer the questions na po. Helping me, tulungan mo ako. Please welcome Joshua Garcia and Julia Barreto. Please! First time nakita sila together bukod sa mall show.
Ikaw na yun, save the best for last.
Mauna na ako, sabi ko sana save the best for last.
Hindi, ikaw. Okay. Sige, ako na. Sabay na lang tayo. Okay. Hello po, good evening everyone. Maraming salamat. Yes, of course, thank you sa ating mga press sa pagpunta, sa pagbigay ng oras ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng supporters namin ni Julia, nila Aljo, nila Kyla, nila Bong, Miss kay si Ate Mean, maraming salamat kasi simula umpisa na dyan kayo, hanggang dito at hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa tayong Cebu, may Jensen. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Ayun,
Ay, of course!
Akala ko ba sabay na lang? Ayun, same lang naman. This is a very special and meaningful night. Hindi namin nakalain na... Hindi namin akalain. Hindi... Sobrang excited ko. Hindi pa naman po yung word. Hindi po namin inakala na... diba, finally makakagawa tayo ng...
Ulit.
I know.
So this is really a very special one. But thank you for joining us. And we'd like to just give a shout out syempre kasi sobrang laking parte din po nila Kuya Ketchup at saka nila Tita Noni dito sa pelikula na to. So if you guys are watching, we're missing you and we wish you guys were here. Okay guys, let's have fun. Be kind. Thanks.
Okay, before I give the microphone to Justin and Corpcom, I'd like to, the first question siyempre, importante ito, for Josh Lia. Mukhang masasakit ang mga eksena. how was the experience working together in a film at meron bang mga eksena na hinugutan niyo ang past experiences niyo while filming? Are you ganun bang actors kayo? Hugot sa past experiences?
Sige ako. Okay. Hindi may iwasan. Hindi may iwasan ang humugot sa past. But I think bilang aktor, nasa sa'yo na rin yan kung paano mo siya ibabawasan man lang, yung nararamdaman mo. Just to protect yourself lang din. Dun sa pain na naramdaman mo. Kung baga kailangan mong humugot.
Grabe yung pain mo sa trailer pala. Parang sobrang pained ka. Okay.
Ayun, parang gano'n.
June, ikaw ba are you the type of actress who makes hugot sa experiences? Who makes hugot?
I don't know, I think ayoko naman i-spoil masyado yung naging process namin ni Josh kasi it's such an intimate one and na kami lang talagang magkakaintindihan habang ginagawa namin to. But siguro ginawa naming inspiration was lalo yung happy memories namin. Kasi sa pelikulang to, matatrack din natin yung sa nakita nyo naman, mapapanood nyo yung naging journey ni Zaya at ni Juancho. And you know, I was really looking forward to coming together to make this film and recreate those happy memories that we really built so much in the past.
Katalino mo to. Sarap mong pakinggan. Barreto.
Thank you.
The questions for Reggie Bunoan, this is for Joshua and Julia. Nakakatuwa na balik na ang Josh Dia. Please take us back kung paano ito in-offer sa inyo at nag-guess ka ba agad and why at ano ang namimiss nyo sa isa't isa. How was this offered? Pre-pandemic pa ba ito? May tawanan ng creatives, mukhang may inside story tayo
During the pandemic, parang we were receiving na calls and then setting meetings about it. Tapos, originally, iba yung kwento niya, and then years later, pa-evolve na yung material. And I think it really boils down to the right time and the right script. So, it's a feeling naman when you know na it's time and when the script is right for the two of us. So, I was on board, of course, right away.
No, talaga? Good to hear that. Ito si Joshua kasi, nung in-offer sa'yo ito, ang dami mong ginagawa. Left and right yung teleseries.
Yeah, actually, after Pabayan, nagka-offer na kami. Tapos
The controversial Pabayan music video.
With Black Sheep pa to, nung una. Kaya lang hindi natuloy kasi parang hindi pa yung tamang panahon para gawin yan. And then after 5 years, doon na nangyari. Pag-pitch sa amin, parang ang dami ng ideas bigla, bakit hindi ganito, ganyan. So parang ang saya din ng moment na yan. That's why, nung unang pitch nila sa akin, sabi ko, game ako, gawin natin to, masaya to. Diba?
Na-miss niyo isa't isa? Wala akong pinupush ha. Sinatanong ko lang kung na-miss niya.
Of course. Namiss ko yung may ka-eksena na
napakahusay mo.
naiintindihan yung nararamdaman ko.
Oh my God!
Iba rin yung gano'n nila. Yeah. And lumalabas siya sa scene talaga.
Yes, oo.
Yeah. And namiss ko yung mga tawanan namin. Diba? Hindi lang kami, lahat tayo, di ba, sa set?
Oo, masaya kami lahat sa
Yeah.
set. Sobra. Yung mga kasama natin sabi na, oh, yeah.
It's the music. No?
Galing naman kasi ng ating scorer today, spinner, pa-music. Hindi ko mabasa, sorry. You have to come here. Okay, so before I give the microphone for the set of questions, tanungin ko na yung ating napakahusay na cast. How did you become part of this project? Let's start with Bianca. May ano ba to? May pa-audition ba sa Derek Peterson? May ganyan ba? Or what? And baka lang hindi namin napanood kayo sa trailer, please make us kwento about your role, B.
Well, yung role ko here is very short, but I can say na it was very memorable shooting with them, and it was such an honor, shooting with all of them. Kahit ilang araw lang yun, I flew in sa Bicol. And
you're part of the Bicol group.
Opo. And then, parang they really made me feel like I was at home lang. Parang hindi na kailangan ng warm up. And then, it's such a dream come true also working with Josh Gia. Kasi actually, hindi nga, nung high school kasi ako, hindi ako nakakoncentrate sa math exam ko nun. Kasi iniiyakan ko yung paubayang music video nila. Tapos ngayon, parang nakawork ko sila sa such a dream come true. So, ayun.
Ito, laging bumabalik sa paubaya, ano?
Yeah.
Like, I was talking to Alan Diones and Ana Pingol kanina. May sinabi silang word, pero huwag na sa akin manggaling. Pero, talagang this made a statement kasi sa Josh Gia ng time na, di ba? Wala na kayo noon, pero nag-together kayo just for the music video. Hanggang doon lang gusto ko sabihin. Charot. John! Ikaw medyo busy ka lately, ha? Hi na, kamusta? Paano ka naging part ng project?
So, medyo ilang months din po nagpahinga ako from acting.
Talaga, pero lagi
yes,
ka nakikita.
Talaga po.
Everywhere. Hindi, minsan.
Baka sa IG nakikita, sir. Sa IG.
Oo nga.
Baka stop nyo.
Mga shirtless men.
Dama pala, joke.
I cannot see it.
Masasimulan Joshua, ha? Masasimulan Joshua. Hindi kasi
Joke.
sa Dreamscape siya nagsimula.
Yes po, sa Sandugo, pre-pandemic.
True.
Pero, first movie ko po ito. So, I'm very grateful na...
First lang ba? O na naman, gulat-gulatan na naman ako sa mga talaga. First ba?
Yes po, very grateful talaga. Hindi ako nag-expect na papasali ako sa movie, tapos...
Pero sa direct yata may regrets. Chare!
No regrets,
Just kidding.
Pero nung sinabi po nila sa akin, sobrang excited lang po talaga ako. As in, no expectations at all. Sabi ko, gagawin ko lang talaga to kasi excited ako mag-acting ulit.
Of course. And of course, gulat-gulatan. Ay, Bong!
Yes.
Mukhang special ang role mo.
We'll see.
Wow! Heavy!
Hindi, nakuha ko po tong role na to. Ang role ko po pala si Ray. My name is Ray. And ako
Character mo yan.
Yes, ako po ang nag-iisang kapatid. Julia Barreto.
Seryoso?
O diba, nagulat din. Kasi nung sinabi niya
Grabe na naman. Ang ganda-ganda.
Gulat-gulatan lang ako.
Ako din nagulat nung sinabihan ako ni Direct Page at ni Sir Vico about this role. Sinabihan nila ako na kailangan ng Keki Sir sa movie na to. Tapos kapatid pa ni Julia, so nagpaganda talaga ako. Yun talaga yung pressure ko.
Achieve naman tonight.
Akala ko papantay sa ganda ni Ate Julia. Kasi,
Barreto yan.
Yes, Barreto. Kaya tawag nila sa akin, Bong Barreto.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Jajamani, di ba?
Oo. Kaya abangan na lang po natin ang magiging eksena ng Keki Sir.
I'm happy for you. You get sa part ka ng magagandang projects, Bong.
Julia.
Kasi dati patik-patik ka lang. Okay, thank you. Ayun. Kyla, do you ever rest? Ayun na pa. Kasi left and right ang shows mo, tapos may movie, tapos may isa ka pa.
Pero ako, grateful lang din ako na kasama ako sa movie na to. When they told me about it, I was also very excited to be part of it. Kahit di ko pa alam kung anong yung role. Sabi ko, yes, game na ako. And of course, I've been wanting to work with Derek Peterson as well.
First time?
Yeah, first time. And of course, si Josh nakatrabaho ko na napakahusay. Sa Viral Scandal po. Teleserye. Yes. And si Julia, it was so nice to work with her. Parang immediately nag-click kami. So, ang ganda lang ng experience. Especially lahat
Pero kasi maganda at matalino.
Kami magkakasama lahat sa Vivo. Lahat kami. Sobrang naging organic yung connection namin. Kaya parang ang sarap mag-work.
I'm sure happy rin naman yung dalawa katrabaho.
Yung set and of course yung bonding namin lahat. Ang role ko po dito, pangalan ko dito si Aya. Ako yung business partner at best friend ni Juancho, yung character ni Joshua.
Alright. Hindi ko na kasi sila naman nakitang-kita na yung role ni Joshua at ni Julia. This point, bibigay ko na talaga microphone sa unang magtatanong. Sino to, Justin?
Ayan, magandang gabi po mga kapamilya. Ako si Justin Ayers sa ABS-CBN PR. Ayan, ang una pong magtatanong, by the way, we receive us 19 sets of questions. So kung di po maaabot dahil sa time limit natin this evening, paumanin po. Pero hopefully makapture ng discussion yung soundbites na hinahanap nyo. For our first set of questions, kasama po natin si Tito Danny Vivas.
Of course.
Daily Tribune.
Tito Dan, request ang tayo na you don't have to question from Tito Danny Vivas.
Sorry, Tito Dan. Parang kanina po ulit yung question. Sorry.
Yeah, for sure this will be a hit movie, and one hit movie cannot just be one hit movie. For sure there will be next offers to do more movies, more team-up movies between the two of you. But are you prepared to do more movies even if it might affect your personal relationships or personal lives?
Interesting question. Are you open to answering the question? Definitely, Julia.
Yeah, you know what, Tito? I feel like there's no might because I believe both Josh and I are both in a very secure place in our lives na kahit gumawa pa kami ng 10 pelikula, hindi naman yun yung intention naman yun ay hindi para makasira ng isang magandang bagay. So, yun lang. Siguro we're in a very secure position in our lives, and it's not, I guess, fair to put it that way to the people that will be, affected with the way that you ask the question. But we'll be fine. I think we're okay. Tira mo, ang saya namin natapos yung Unhappy for You. Lahat ng nasa paligid namin masaya para sa amin. Minamahal pa rin kami. So I think it says a lot about where we both are in our lives.
Nice. In other words, it's a yes. Joshua. That's...
Yes po. Di na lang din po yung sagot ko. Kasi actually, kami po na Jude, parang iba na yung approach namin sa work this time. Mas professional. We know our boundaries na rin, alam mo yan. So, wala naman yung siguro ganun mangyayari, di ba? And, nagsushoot pa lang ho kami nito. Nag-uusap na kami na sana makagawa tayo, pero sana comedy naman. Kasi, bigang-biga kami dito. Masaya na ba kayo?
Happy!
Kaya pala ibinaya siya sa pain. Yung balat doon talaga sa direct pictures and yung pain.
Meron na kami peg na...
Sana comedy dito.
Oo, comedy. Yun na lang yung dinidream namin habang nag-excite na kami ng mabibigat. One day, mas magka-comedy tayo, yung comedy lang.
Okay. Tito Dan, you're good?
It's nice for you to do a comedy next. After Unhappy for You, it should be very happy for you.
Thank you po.
A very happy for you.
Ay,
meron
G,
pa, Justin?
yung next question natin, babasahin mo from G. Trilliano.
Actually, ang ganda. I was gonna tell you nga, Justin, gusto kong tanongin to from G. Trilliano, ng editor ng Malaya. Malaya? Okay, there's a video. This is for Julia muna. There's a video of you asking audiences if they would watch your movie with their exes. Kailan ka dumating sa point na you became comfortable enough to meet your ex to meet your ex again, and ano yung nag-precipitate nung feeling na yon, okay na ako to Joshua. Yeah.
So in other words, in a simpler form, ano yung tanong?
Ayun. Naguluhan nga rin ako, pero sabi ko ang ganda ng tanong, pero ako naguluhan.
Hindi mo nila tanong.
Tita G,
Ano pa akong kanina pa tinatanong sa'yo?
Alin?
Kayo yung mapahawak ng script.
Yung sa mall show daw kasi, first of all guys, tinanong na ibang cast. Inulit ko lang yung tanong, baka hindi klaro. At saka nag-joke lang ako. Kumbaga, hindi ko namang ini-encourage na panoorin niyo with your ex. Kasi choice niyo naman yun, di ba?
Kasi uso ngayon ng mga exes na nag-reunite.
Gusto ba yun?
Officially for you yung sa show
Yes.
Especially for you.
I mean, choice naman niyo yun. I mean, kung parang, di ba, kung straight na yun.
It's for entertainment.
For entertainment lang
Parang
naman.
masaya lang, diba?
Correct. Joke time lang yun. Pero hindi namin sinasabing kailangan panoorin niyo itong sama mga ex. Okay, mag-isa kayo. Okay lang. Basta panoorin niyo. Buy together something.
Josh, may dadagdag ka ba? Okay. Kasi next ikaw na. The question, what steps did you take to prepare for the role and was asking your current partner's permission included in these steps? Did you ask permission from...
No, hindi mo ask sa partner ko. Kasi bago pa rin kayo magkakilala, alam niyo yung actor na yung, pagiging actor na yung trabaho.
Oh, sana all, no?
I'm just very supportive about dun sa movie. Kung ano naging process ko sa movie, enjoy ko lang yung process. Enjoy ko lang siya, and enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho ulit si Julia. And enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho si Derek Peterson and lahat ng cast natin dito. Yun lang yung nangyari na. And kung may mali man kasi kami magawa, kino-correct na kami ng writers na nila direct.
May writers on the set ka, kayo?
Yes,
Tumadala.
very hands-on sila sa pelikula.
At least hands-on, di pabaya. Charot, hindi pabaya ako. Tawa ng tawa dito, Miss Kaya? Okay. Ano, ikaw to o ako to, Justin? The
Yes,
next
next question will come from JP Anarcon of Freebie MNL.
Yay! Birthday ni Jim pila 2 days ago. Hi Jim, stand up. Happy birthday. Kung hindi to si Julia, favorite mo.
Thank you
Correct.
so much.
Okay. Okay. First question, ano naman to ha, not naman on the negative side, no? But hindi ba kayo nag-worry? Kasi most of the time, pwedeng dalawa yung effect, di ba? Pag nagre-reunion yung mag-ex, either, syempre you become friends talaga, which we all hope for. And some, medyo mag-open ng can of worms, parang ganun. Tapos di na magkaka-work after.
Kind of what?
Can of worms, mga, siguro mga unclosed keme, ganyan. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na baka mayroong ganong sitwasyon?
May mga mauungkat na ano, may mau-open na issues.
Issues.
Issues. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na may mabubuksang issues? Or
naka-ready na kayo or naka-gear na kayo na okay, this will be a fun set, happy reunion.
Ini-idiomatic expression naman kasi tayo. Ini-idioms tayo ni JP.
Feel ko ready na kami kasi una-una hindi rin namin tatanggapin kung hindi kami ready. So diba, parang bakit namin gugustuhin na masaktan kami dito sa pelikula? Parang sobrang sadista naman natin sa sarili natin. Parang I think ready na kami bago pa namin gawin. It's been 5 years na din, diba? Tagal na, marami na nagbago and yung iba na, right?
Yeah, in a good way.
In a good way. Yeah.
Ikaw, Julia.
Ano po yun?
Addition to that.
Saan po?
Doon sa mau-open na mga
kung hindi ka ba nag-worry.
can of worms.
Hindi naman, I don't think it was worry. Honestly, I was just really excited to reunite with Josh, work with him, and work with Derek Peterson, our cast, our writers that, you know, I worked with Kukay several times also. So it was more excitement. I think ang ganda ng mindset namin lahat coming into this project na we all had one goal, and I think that made us bond even closer because of that one goal.
And then Julia, coming from that viral video, no?
What?
Hindi, ito naman, ano lang, parang...
Hindi ready lahat, sila yun din pa.
Hindi, ang ganda kasi na narating nyo na yung ganong sitwasyon na pwede na siyang pagtawanan, gawing joke. So parang through the years na, yun nga, nagkaroon ng something, tapos pwede kayong magka-work ulit ngayon. Paano nyo na-achieve or na-prepare yung sarili nyo to be in that situation na pwede nyo na siyang pagtawanan and you can work together harmoniously?
Yeah.
Sorry. I feel like parang may understanding na kami na even if we don't talk about it, parang okay na sa amin eh. Kasi tagal na eh, parang happy na kami sa posisyon namin sa buhay ngayon. And then parang ang gusto na lang namin mangyari ngayon is parang ma-retain yung friendship namin, di ba? Diba? Kasi sayang eh, kasi diba, parang iba na rin yung understanding natin sa isa't isa.
Yes, agree. Tama yung sinabi ni Josh.
Okay. Thank you so much
Thank you
and
so
congratulations.
Next, James. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday!
Okay. Gusto mo, tanongin ko to na, ano. Here's a question kasi ang maganda to eh, pero parang feeling ko nasagot na, so hindi ko na itatanong. Charot. For Joshua, Josh, sa palagay mo ba hindi makaka-apekto sa relasyon mo, sa real girlfriend mo, real life girlfriend mo, ang pakikipagtambal mo kahit parang nasagot niya na hindi, don't have to tell. And for Julia, how was your working dynamic with each other evolved? How has your working dynamic with each other evolved since your last collab?
Our last is Paubaya.
Paubaya. Wala, you know what? It feels so the same and different at the same time. But different is good because it means like over the years, parang nag-evolve na kami.
Question pala came from Wilson Riquiza ng Kapamilya On Demand. Okay, may gusto kang tanongin or we can entertain questions from here from Alan Diones, I understand. May mga gusto, may gusto kang tanongin. Bago ko basahin itong 29 questions.
Ayan, Sir EJ, siguro umpisahan muna natin.
Sige.
Naka-standby si Judy Arias of Metro Dots.
Wala. Tsaka in pain eh.
This
pa kami iiyak
movie
dito.
is all about feeling ko isa dito yung healing.
Oh.
Healing. Yung pag-accept. Tama.
Ang dami, you know why? May sariling personal journey si Juancho, may sariling personal journey si Zai. And even all of our characters here in the movie, we all have our personal journeys na nakikita talaga namin yung isa't isa. Para kaming reflection lahat ng isa't isa. We all have our different pains and our different joys. So, but tama si Josh, it's healing, it's letting go, it's accepting, it's setting free. It's really gonna be an emotional roller coaster ride in this film. And yeah, excited kami na guluhin ang buhay niyo for 2 hours.
Ano?
Actually, no. Hindi naman. But it was actually an idea that I worked with our writers. Kasi part of the journey that actually hindi pa natin masyadong binabanggit, but you actually guys saw it in the trailer, is medyo mapang-ahas at may nakakatakam na element. Yun yung reunion ng exes sa story. And we felt like Naga as a city that's filled with a lot of spiciness. We wanted to like also embrace that
The silly
that
challenge.
flavor. Meron din siyang flavor na gano'n. At saka yung, di ba na-add anything?
Go ahead.
Sa'yo
Sino
okay lang.
pinagduda?
Sa'yo okay lang din.
Okay naman, kaya,
Hindi, pero okay lang. Okay lang.
yeah, oo naman. Wala naman
I mean,
bit na.
Yeah. Totoo yung sabi ni Aljan, depende kung paano kayo nag-end. Yeah.
Totoo, di ba? It could be an ex na happy ending or it could ex na hindi traumatic. So depende kung sino yung sinatun. Thank you, Joshua, Julia. Justin!
Ayan, Sir EJ, bago ko tawagin si Team Bailon of Pet.ph kung answer questions, babasahin niyo po muna ang question from Josiah Antonio of ABS-CBN.
Andiyan si Josiah?
Babasahin na lang po yung question na yan.
Bakit? Joke. Go ahead. Babasahin mo?
Nandiyan po sa inyo yung question.
Saan dito? Letter L. Layo na.
Hindi mo alam.
Pasabor.
Kaya di ba?
Si Ketcha. Ano ka si Ketcha?
Spoiler mo!
Okay! Okay.
Babi ko nga pala.
Oo, kasi sa eksena pala, yung eksena sa beach, di ba sa bar, na parang yung ingatan mo yan. Tapos iba yung ngiti ni Kyla. Ako, inassume ko na naman talagang si Kyla yung third party.
Hindi namin sinabi ng third party siya.
Ewan ko sa inyo.
Opo. Bakit po? Love triangle na mas makatid.
Eto, this
Eh,
would
sabi.
make Julia, mukhang you wanna say something?
I'm good.
Ito matutuwa mga Justia fans. Buhay na naman daw ang Justia fans. Ayun. So, anong tanong? Anong feeling na kahit may kanya na kayong partners in real life, napakarami at buhay na buhay pa rin ang Justia fans? Actually, nung in-announce nila yung new project alert, talagang nabuhay agad sila.
Kaya nakaka-proud sila.
Nakaka-proud sila.
Yung page,
Yung maturity din nila.
Grabe din ang pinagdaanan nila.
Yeah.
So,
Kasi
nagpapasalamat.
kasabay namin sila nung nag-process nila.
Oo, sabay
Sabay
sila
namin
kami
sila
yan.
umiyak.
True.
Yeah. So, proud ako sa Joshua na nandiyan pa rin.
So individually naman, sinusupport nila kayo, di ba?
Yes,
You had a movie
oo.
rin before Julia, di ba? Tapos Joshua, ikaw din naman, you had
Oo.
series on series, di ba?
Yeah.
Question was from Erwin Santiago, ng editor ng Bandera. And another question for Julia. Paano mo i-describe yung dating Joshua Garcia noon sa ngayon? Marami ka bang new discoveries after 5 years, Ben?
Yeah, sobrang proud ako kay Josh. Grabe yung... Alam mo yung una pa lang na... Ano ba yung pinakauna natin? Yung look test? Script reading ba yun? Hindi, look test yun. Nakaka-proud. Sobrang sabi ko, wow, he's really she's really learned to, you've really become confident in yourself. Nakita ko na...
Shy pa din, ano? Confident pero
Hindi,
shy. Hindi
confident yan. I mean, confident in a sense na mas kilala niya na sarili niya ngayon, mas secure na siya sa pagkatao niya ngayon. He knows what he wants, he knows what he doesn't want. Parang mas kilala niya na sarili niya, mas love niya na yung sarili niya. So, it's so nice to see how he has evolved into the man that he is today. So, proud ako sa'yo.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Confident na. Ayun, sumasagot.
Confident yan. Sabi ko nga, grabe, na pinapanood ko to si Aldrin. Sabi ko, parang si Josh to daw.
Actually, they can pass for brothers. Diba?
Yeah, oo, always.
Sabi ko lang, medyo mas fit lang siya sa akin.
Mas, alam mo, mas may masal-masal lang siya ngayon.
Dati ako eh.
Cute yan. Cute lover boy, lover boy.
Pero grabe yung journey ni Joshua. Now he's the most sought after leading man, no? From a PBB. After, hindi, diba? You get to be paired with, halata ka.
Ano yan, very thankful and grateful lang ako. Parang ang gandang regalo sa akin na ika-10th year ko this year. Parang ang gandang regalo sa akin na. So, thank you. Thank you, Bessie.
10th anniversary celebration po ni Joshua itong Unhappy For You. Okay, more questions from your end, Justin.
Ayan, kasama na natin si Team Bailon of Pep.ph.
Ayan.
Yung shoot, kasi parang last time, yung paubaya ko yung last na, ano nyo, kasama nyo.
May ganun ba kayong exercise na?
Wala. Kulit nga namin.
Nagkaroon kami, pero during shoot na, no?
Yeah, hindi siya parang heart to heart before na.
Hindi siya yung malalang heart to heart na nag-iiyakan kami. Hindi naman ganun na, buti na lang, okay ka kayo. Hindi naman ganun. It's more of parang nag-catch up lang na, di ba?
Masayang pag-uusap lang. Wala naman yun.
Like, yung hobbies mo ngayon, di ba? Kung ginagawa mo, ganyan.
Ano pinapakinggan mo ngayon?
Mga music, di ba?
So okay, sa set lang yan, ano? Hindi naman yung parang outside the set, nagkukumustahan pa kayo. Ibang usapan naman yun na parang, di ba?
Naku, ganun talaga sa video.
After kasi yung shoot namin, meron kami parang 20 to 30 minutes na tatabay kaming cast. Tapos doon kami parang nagre-release ng tension ng buong araw na yun sa mga excel.
Supervised by direct yan, hindi naman.
No, kami lang ito.
Cast lang.
Ng cast. Yeah,
so, yeah, yun yung ginagawa namin. So doon kami nakakapag-usap-usap din. Na yun yung labas na ang trabaho.
Confident ka na nga, daldal ka na.
Hindi na. Share lang ako ng experience ko.
Ikaw naman tatanong, ibabalik ko yung tanong. New discoveries about Ju. Bukod sa matalino pa, sobrang mas matalino siya ngayon, mas smart, mas ano, at napaka-sexy.
Grabe naman.
Sobra.
Gusto ko kung paano siya ngayon sa the way kung paano niya himayin yung script. As in parang ako yung nahihiya sa set pagka parang shit, grabe naman himayin ni Ju yung script niya. Makita mo talaga yung mga notes niya dun sa script niya.
Talaga?
Ako yung nahihiya. Sabi ko siya, gawin ko nga rin yun. Punta ako ng room ko, naggawa ko niya rin ng ganyan. Wala naman nangyari.
Yung highlighter ko
kidding aside, proud ako sa kanya kung paano niya itrato yung trabaho ngayon. Well, before, sobrang respeto rin naman niya. Pero iba na yung atake namin ngayon sa work. Mas detalyado na kami. Even yung mga lines, hindi siya basta binabato eh. Iba na, no? And I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Direk Peterson, masarap ka trabaho.
Oo naman. Oo naman. Kasi
katabi mo. Char.
No, but it was really a fun set. I think they were all very generous to each other. And I think nililid nyo kasi yun, Josh, Julia. I think yung generosity comes from how everyone sees them together. Ewan ko, parang there's just really this beautiful energy, this aura when they're together.
Teaser pa lang naramdaman ko na siya.
Yes.
The magic's still there.
And there's magic, yes. I also believe.
Diba? Okay. Pep ulit, more questions?
Last na po sa akin. So yung unhappy for you, parang mabigat siya. Babalik na rin natin. Happy for you. Kung may sasabihin ka, Julia and Jocko sa isa't isa, I'm
Sino
happy.
si Jocko?
Josh and Julia. So I'm happy for you. Parang tugtungan nyo lang.
I'm
Joshua,
happy for
I'm
you.
happy for you. And Julia, I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for you. Directed by...
Bongga! Ang saya-saya.
Wait lang, mag-isip muna ako.
Itutuloy ba yung I'm happy for you?
Ako, I'm happy for you for all that you have achieved.
Oh.
I'm happy for you sa lahat na na-achieve mo rin. Diba? Ang ganda. Ako kasi ang happy ko kasi ang ganda ng mga pelikula na ginagawa. Like, diba? Kaya ang ganda ng ginagawa mo, yung track ng pelikula na ginagawa mo. So I'm happy for you na ang ganda ng mga decisions mo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, sorry, but you have something to say, Jewel. We're down to our last two questions, and the last two will come from babasahin ni Justin. But out of respect sa mga nagpadala ng mga questions, i-acknowledge ko lang sila na hindi na natin ma-entertain kasi halos nasasagot na rin naman along the way. Like for example, itong question from M. Rian Calubira ng Cinehub. Si Josiah was able to nakapagtanong naman. Nakapagtanong din si John Milo Severo na hindi natin ma-entertain kasi we're limited tayo sa ating live streaming. Si Jimpy was able, at si Chad Rosette ng Manila Feed, medyo nasagot naman. Pero ito yung gusto ko talagang, bago ko ibigay yung microphone kay Justin, kay Joshua and Julia. If you have a message to each other, thank you and sorry nyo sa isa't isa. Ang ganda, di ba? Thank you, Chad. Matalino yan si Chad eh. Nag-iisip. Chad. Thank you and sorry nyo sa isa't isa.
Oo nga eh. Nagawa na namin ito dati.
Thank you and sorry.
Oh, very nice.
Actually,
sabi ko talaga, ikaw, Jude.
Pinasa sa akin. Ako, thank you na ako yung kinanta na lang. Bakit kayo ganito? Tapos na namin ginawa to dati eh. Joke lang, hindi. Ganito na lang. Dito tayo sa present. Oh, go.
Thank you, Julia, for being open.
Okay.
Sa buong journey natin sa pelikula. Sobrang thank you. So, thank you kasi alam ko hindi ako mag-isa dun sa pelikula. Kasi pag may mga araw na down ako, ina-assure mo ako, nandun dyan ka para alalayan ako. Thank you. Generous ka sa acting na binibigay mo. Hindi ka madamot. And wala akong dapat ika-sorry. Yan lang.
Kasi, joke guys, that's a joke guys. Relax. There's no show for today. Ako, genuinely, Josh, thank you. Because, naramdaman ko sa buong time na sinushoot natin pang pelikula na to, inalalayan mo talaga ako. Kilala mo ako, alam mo kapag medyo kinakabahan ako sa eksena, pag medyo parang yung energy ko nagbabago. Thank you because ganun din. You're always asking kung okay ako, and you're always finding ways to make sure na everything and everyone on the set, okay kaming lahat. Hindi lang ako, everyone iniisip mo sa set. And thank you because ikaw din naging open ka to this idea of working together again. We're crazy for doing this, but thank you for being open and being so generous and honest in all of our scenes. And yung sorry, mapapanood din naman sa movie kung ba't siya nag-sorry. Oo, okay na yun kasi nagawa na namin yung dati.
Totoo, yeah. But let's take this opportunity na to thank the cast.
Sobra,
I want to say
grabe.
thank you kay Bong, Kyla, Ate May, and of course, Al. Kasi hindi madali yung pelikula for us, diba? Hirap din. Pero nandiyan kayo na nakaalala sa amin. Kumbaga, kahit kami yung nasa harapan, nandun lang kayo lahat sa likod namin. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, Direk, oh my God, maraming salamat sa iyo, Direk, sa Simon, maraming salamat.
Okay, hindi ko na ma-entertain yung ibang question, but thank you sa pag-send ng question. Si Goldwyn Reviews, si Daniel ng Capex Official. Daniel, thank you. Mikey Vinyas ng Kapamilya Vines. Vines ba? Vinyas. Basta yun. Team Bahilaw ng Pep.ph. At si Albert Bryan ng Chicanes App. Sayang, hindi nakapagtanong si Albert. Tapos din kay Jay ng Certified Kapamilya. Thank you for sending the questions. Okay, are you ready for the last? You're good na? Okay, so at this point, we'd like to hear from the cast and the creators. This is the moment where you thank them. Uy, please stay ha, may raffle tayo. Gusto mo pala raffle sa press ko? Charot. Okay, our two writers, Ms. Bukay and Ms. Tal, please thank them and invite, okay, this is the part where we officially invite them to pasukin ang sinihan sa August 14.
So maraming salamat po for tonight and for letting us share yung kwento and our stories while making this film. It's a very beautiful film na labored with love talaga and hard work, especially led by Direk Peter Sen Vargas, diba? Sa lahat ng bumubuo talaga, ang sobrang binigay ng lahat ng gumawa nito, yung best nila for this film. So we really hope that you watch the film on, and happy for you, on August 14, 2024. So, kita-kits sa cinemas.
Okay, Ms. Kukay.
Sige po, I just want to thank everyone for being here, for supporting the film. I also want to thank Viva for joining us in this project. Ayun po, I hope when you watch the movie, please spread the word. It's, yes, we know that Joshua and Julia is starring in this movie, but there's a whole lot more about Juancho and Zai's story and everyone na nakapaligid po sa kanila. Again, this is directed by Peter Sen Vargas. So please supportahan niyo po August 14, 2024. Thank you.
Actually, Trigger, this is the first official Star Cinema movie na airing this year.
Yes.
Tapos tuloy-tuloy na tayo, monthly malinis na tayo, di ba? Yes. Thank you for the partnership. Viva Films, thank you. Which is, as we all know, being nag-manage kay Julia.
We'll see you guys soon.
Can we officially announce that we have a world premiere on August 30?
Inassume ko lang po yung premiere.
Pero meron pala.
Hindi rin po ako sure talaga.
Pero
inassume ko na lang po. So, meron naman po. Okay, thank you very much.
Ang galing mo hindi ka lang pala mahusay, manghuhula ka din. At syempre, nabibilang mo ba sa lapit mo, Direk? Peter Sen Vargas.
Ayun, I always take time to thank ABS-CBN Films, to my mentors there, from sila Inang to sila Sir Chris, and of course to my manager, si Sir Miko.
Arise ka pala!
Pushing and supporting me, kahit takot ako palagi, they will say, I can do it. And paniniwalaan ko na lang sila. So this is my third film, but I just want to stress how much I love this story. I always tell my writers who beautifully crafted this beautiful story na this film felt very personal to me. And I feel like if people watch it in the theaters, it will feel personal to them. And I love this cast. Carefully, beautifully handpicked. We love the energy, and of course, it is my honor and privilege to have worked with you guys. I watched your first film and up to like halos lahat ng projects nyo. I was a supporter first because I saw the magic in the Josh Leah tandem, and what a way to finally be your director. So thank you for the experience. It was very beautiful. And I feel like the audience will see how beautiful our journey was. So thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Derek.
you.
And of course,
Si ako
Okay,
na
ako na
last.
muna.
Anyway, guys.
Ako naman.
Ikaw na last. Guys, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Parang kinamahan niyo naman yung so, pero nailitan kami ng konti sa totoo lang. But thank you for joining us. Sana, tama si guys, sana magkita-kita tayo sa August 13. But before that, please help us spread the word. Tell your family, your friends about the film. Help us spread the word about our trailer that's gonna be released tonight, if not already released. Na-release na. Sige, mag-thank yous na rin ako. Ate Man, oh my goodness, thank you so much. Mom, Kai, Aljon, Biangs, Tal, Cooks, Direk, sobrang thank you. Grabe, hindi ka talaga nag-give up sa amin. You really pushed us. You really brought the best out sa amin. You really brought the best out of the two of us. And talagang challenge and stretch mo kami to make sure that we offer something different in this movie. Hindi pa namin nasasabi to kasi hindi pa natin last day. Pero, Direk, thank you talaga sobra sa patience and sa inyo. Kasi nga, as Josh said, sobrang ko sa script kasi gusto ko talagang maalagaan yung story namin lahat. Hindi mabubuhay yung pelikula kung wala yung buong cast namin. So everybody here today, plus Kuya Ketchup and Tito Noni, sila Miss Anna, who plays my mom here, sila talaga, my God, si Tatay Sweet, sila talaga yung kumumpleto ng pelikula na to. Hindi namin magagawa to nung wala kayong lahat. So thank you so much. Josh, oh my gosh, super thank you. Grabe, ang overwhelming ng experience ng pinagdadaanan natin ngayon. But I'm so happy to be sharing this with you. Okay, thanks guys.
Thank you. Ayun, thank you po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat ulit sa pagbibigay ng oras at sana tulungan nyo kami na ipakalat ang balita na showing na ang Happy for You ngayong August 14. And papasalamat din kami sa mga supporters namin. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. And of course, thank you. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you very much. Alright.
Okay, thank you rin sa mga anditong part ng team na to, Star Magic, mga handlers and managers, Rise Artist Studio, the management of Kyla, which is Star Magic din, at saka Mercator, and ayan. And everyone, nandito, talagang everyone stayed. Okay, we'd like to request everyone to please stand up for the group photo. But sige na, while you are standing up, I'd like to thank our sponsors for today, GAOC. That's GAOC, Dr. Alvin Rejuvenating Stat Advanced, Ligo, Minola Premium Coconut Oil, healthy to ha, sobrang healthy to. Rebisco, Tanduay, Sprite, Copico, Efficacent Oil, and Miracle White. Thank you for the loot bag. We prepared special loot bags for everyone. Okay, ayan, group photo na. Star